Start by removing the interior boxes from the top and sides. Once you've cut the tape on the end of the box at the base of the tower, unfold that end of the box to lie flat. Remove the TotalGym GTS from the box, set it upright, and roll it to the location where you want the tower to stand. Then take off the plastic cover. Next, remove the folding platform and the telescoping squat stand from the box. First, remove the packaging from the rollers. Then, unlatch the rails from the tower. Place one hand behind the tower and the other hand on the glide board. Tilt the unit and use your foot to push the rail base away from the tower, lowering the rails to the floor. To raise the incline of your TotalGym, grab the upper rail, press the release handle, and lift to your working level. To lower, grab the upper rail and press the release handle on top of the tower to lower to the desired level. Then let go of the release handle. To assemble each lat bar, open the hardware kit and remove the spanner wrenches. Using both spanner wrenches, hold one inner round nut stationary with one wrench and turn the other round nut to loosen. Remove the round nut and carefully slide the shipping sleeve out while holding the bushing in. Hold the inside rail bushing so it doesn't slide out and insert the correct lat bar through the bushings until it is flush with the outside rail bushing. Reinstall a round nut and tighten it so the lat bar rotates freely but with some friction. Install the second round nut until it is tight against the first nut. Hold one spanner wrench on the inner round nut so it will not move. Then use the other to tighten the second round nut against the first. Now, install the axle cover over the round nuts as shown and repeat the process for the other lat bar. Grab the folding foot holder and insert one pin into the hole located on the inside of the rail. Next, pull the pin on the other side and release it into the opposite hole. Pull up on the upper bar to engage the folding foot holder. Align the upper pull pin on the left of the folding platform with the top hole on the lower rail. Then guide the upper pin into the hole. Next, align the right pull pin into the right lower rail. Attach the telescoping squat stand and adjust the height by lifting the release lever. To fold, release the lower left pull pin on the folding platform.